Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 29th July 2024. Billionaire tycoons Gautam Adani and Kumar Mangalam Birla are in a fierce competition within India's cement industry, focusing on acquiring assets and expanding production capacity. Adani's entry in 2022 disrupted the market, with both Adani Group and Birla's UltraTech Cement Limited executing several deals. Adani aims to double production capacity to 140 million tons by 2028, whereas UltraTech targets 200 million tons by 2027. The infrastructure boom is fueling massive cement demand in India. India needs to grow at a sustained pace of 7 to 10% for 20 to 30 years to escape the middle income trap and become a developed nation with a per capita income of $18,000 per annum and the size of a $30 trillion economy by 2047, when the country celebrates its centenary anniversary of independence. The National Institute for Transforming India, or NITI Aayog, said in an approach paper summarising its vision for Viksit Bharat. SoftBank-backed Indian e-scooter maker Ola Electric's IPO is set to draw investor bids from Fidelity, Nomura and Norway's Norges Bank. Ola Electric's roughly $740 million IPO will open this week and will be the first by an Indian electric vehicle maker. The company is the biggest player in the e-scooter market in a country where adoption of clean vehicles is still low but rising rapidly. The Reserve Bank of India is monitoring loans with a ticket size of up to Rs 50,000 on the books of banks and fintech lenders. A majority of consumers in this segment services 3 live loans, and it is suspected this would be an indication of evergreening with the possibility of diversion into capital markets. In the fiscal year 2023-24, Singapore emerged as the largest source of foreign direct investment into India, despite a 31.55% drop in inflows to $11.77 billion. The total FDI, which includes equity inflows, reinvested earnings and other capital, equity inflows into India fell to $44.42 billion in 2023-24, which is a 3.49% decrease from $46.03 billion in the previous year. Overall, FDI decreased by 1% to $70.95 billion from $71.35 billion. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.